Believe it or not, any conferencing software that allows you to set a custom virtual background with an image can become a virtual whiteboard. Using your chosen media, create what you want to appear on your whiteboard. In many cases, it can be an image, video, or series of images. Videos must be an MP4 or MOV file with a minimum resolution of 480 by 360, with 1280 by 720 being your best option. Turn on your zoom, and when it is time, set your virtual background, which you can change throughout the presentation. It is that simple. Now, not only can you share the screen, you can be part of the show.